John's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something from India. This is cup noodles Paneer butter masala. Is it butter masala or butter? Yeah, Paneer butter masala. Yeah. And there is the lid of that. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of been enjoying doing this kind of more dimly lit so you can see the fun laser show in the background. But, yeah, here, let me tilt this up a little bit. 3 minutes. It's a steeping one, so there's no excitement, but I've got one that I want to do tomorrow, actually. I think it'll be for tomorrow, the tomorrow show. Ah, the tomorrow show, yeah. And, yeah, it's gonna be a real. I'll have to get a bunch of junk to do that one though. This one has a lot of seasoning in it, and it's like very strong smelling of India smell, which I like India smell. Don't get me wrong, I really like India smell. If you've never been into a Indian grocery store, you should truly do it. Indian markets smell wonderful. I'll go in one of those, and when I come out, oh, hold on. Yeah, I'll do that even. It's got a picture of a white bowl, so I'm going to use just a straight white bowl on this one. Because that is the way. It's the serving suggestion, folks. So I'm having a wonderful day. I just went on an adventure, and I'm going to tell you about it. So I'm home today with my beautiful, beautiful, wonderful wife, Kitten, and she wanted to paint her nails. And I wasn't planning on going anywhere, back's killing her. And so I was like, okay, I'm just going to hang out home. And then she's like, you know what? I really need a nail file. I'm like, okay. She's like, and you can pick out some nail color for me. I'm like, okay. So just straight shot down the road is Rite Aid. So I went down there, and this is like, I mean, it's like going and trying to find an exact type of screw at like a home improvement store. Good luck with that, at least for me. But yeah, but got it all sorted out. I thought I got her, she likes the color yellow a lot, so I thought that I got fluorescent yellow nail color stuff, and it's green. It's like, what did she say? It's like kind of like a key lime color, but she's gonna put it on, so that's cool. And one thing also that's cool is she agreed to do a couple of these episodes with me, which I think that's rad. So you will see my beautiful wife on an wife. I didn't mean to say wife, but you'll see her on an upcoming episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where you get to witness true beauty and wonder. The problem with cup noodles, and I'm going to say it, and I know a lot of you are going to be like, it smells good. The seasoning smells good. But then, once it's kind of worked its way into the noodle, you just smell the noodle. Yeah, it's just got that wheat flour kick to it. And it's like, you know, this would probably work better with like a rice noodle. But then I guess it wouldn't be a cup noodle. It'd be in a cup still. I don't know. Well, let's see what we got here. And we've been watching a show called, we've been flipping back and forth. She likes this show called Night Watch, which has people like EMTs and firefighters and all this stuff, and they're going and doing what they do in like Florida. There's the broth. Let's just go straight for the broth. I think I like it. And there's bits too. Let's see how it is. Oh, it's got a little spiciness too. There's our noodle. Wow, my monitor On my other camera, it's going really slow. Okay. Yeah, that's what I want to find out. What is that? Kind of bell peppery. Woo. 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 A little spicy. It's not bad. This may be one of my favorite Indian cup noodles I've tried yet, actually. I like it a damn sight better than their masala. What is it? Mazadar masala. It's not dumdar. There are a lot of different cup noodles, but this one, because when you look at the broth, it's very thick, and I enjoy that. But yeah, it had a lot of seasoning in it, as you can probably tell. And I really don't have a lot in the line of Indian garnish. I could put like a big black cardamom in the middle. I think that would be a little weird. Kind of like this sprig. That looks like a praying mantis. I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper. A decent amount. And a little bit of sesame seed, and we're gonna call it good. Got a little peaky. It's looking a little peaky on top. Little peak. Alright. Let a little rotato go on here. There we are. Let's have a different song too. Ah! Rotato! All right, cool. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, if I do one tomorrow, then I think the next episode is going to be a Malaysian variety. It'll be A1 curry laksa, and I've had the wheat noodle version. In fact, it's been on the top 10 list. It might be on the top 10 list right now, but this is a rice noodle version. So I'm stoked about that. Yeah, we'll see. Pardon me. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, get a membership. You know, if you get a membership, you get that top tier. It's ridiculously expensive. I don't expect you to do it. But if you do, you can decide what I review for 7 days in a row. If I can't get it, I can't get it, though. Know that. And but if you want to send it to me, that's cool too. And yeah, and you can be on the show. I can run another thing, run audio. You can be like on speakerphone, and you can talk about whatever you want. 7 days of it too. Yeah. So be an interesting person and get that membership if you want. All right. Have a good one. Bye bye.